Yes? You've just bought the best AI your money could buy. Congratulations. Now you need the best AI adoption. Hello and Groot C. I'm Tom from LENI in Foyesburg, Switzerland. Adoption is key. Because what good is a Ferrari if no one knows how to drive it? Many organizations assume that implementing AI is about tech and tools. But here's the uncomfortable truth: 80% of AI projects fail, not because the tech doesn't work, but because the organization doesn't adapt. The licenses are active. The tools are there. And yet, no one's using them. Why? Because there's no bridge between strategy and reality, between IT and everyday work. No clear roles. No clear value. No change leadership. What you need now is not another tool. You need a system. One that makes AI understandable, usable, and scalable. That system is LENI: learn, engage, navigate, innovate. Learn, make AI tangible, relevant, and safe. Engage, involve people early and earn their trust. Navigate, integrate AI into real business workflows. Innovate, scale what works and create measurable value. LENI isn't just a framework, it's a business adoption engine. And it works. 30% faster AI adoption. 50% more team acceptance. A measurable ROI? Take this case. A public service organization had the perfect AI set up, dashboards, models, everything. But employees refused to use it. Fear. Frustration. Resistance. The breakthrough came with a dedicated AI change management office. Clear roles. Early involvement. Practical training. 6 months later? Over 80% active usage. AI integrated into daily decision-making. Implementing tech is easy. Changing culture is hard. But that's what makes or breaks AI. If you're serious about making AI work for your people, not just your infrastructure. If you want your AI project to become a transformation success story. Let's talk. I'll show you how LENI makes your organization truly AI ready. Let's LENI. Let's scale. Let's talk. Connect with me on LinkedIn for a 15-minute strategy call to explore how we can accelerate AI adoption in your company. This was Tom from LENI. Wondering what LENI means? Simple, ally, because AI adoption works best together. LES, because we move forward with clarity and speed.